Nintendo Labo Robot Kit. Right out of the box, Nintendo Labo offers many cardboard sheets and the game software. With these sheets, you can make your own cardboard toy controllers. Toy-Con creations come in a variety of shapes with different activities to enjoy. But the Toy-Con robot is the most advanced of them all. The Toy-Con robot suit is wearable. First, wear the visor on your head. Strap the main body on your back, and your feet slide into the robot's shoes. Then, grip the robot arms, and you're ready to roll. Extend your arm to punch. Stomp your feet to walk. And tilt your body left or right to change direction. Pilot the robot? No, become the robot. To wreck buildings, cars, and spaceships? Demolish everything and go for a high score. Spread your arms to enter flight mode. As you fly through the sky, your enhanced view may lead you to some new discoveries. And if you crouch, you'll turn into a tank. You can even shoot beams. Lower the visor to enter first-person mode, where buildings crumble before your eyes. Huh? What's that pose? Giant fighting robot, anyone? Learn new moves and freely control the robot. With the Charge Punch, you can build up energy to release a long-range attack in one big blast. Lift one leg while descending to perform a drill kick that rockets downward. While in tank mode, spread your arms to enter flight mode and fly freely through the sky. Now for the big one. Lower the visor, aim, and thrust both arms forward to unleash a special beam. As you clear missions, your power will grow. In the Hangar, you can change the robot's colors by inserting tools. Looking pretty sweet already. In Robo-Studio mode, you can place your Nintendo Switch console inside the Toy-Con robot and make sounds as you move. Imagine the possibilities. If you make two Toy-Con robots, you and a friend can battle. Who built the better bot? There's only one way to find out. Enjoy your Toy-Con robot to the fullest. Every mode, every moment. Make, play, discover. Nintendo Labo.